Hello, I'm Sunrex76 and I'm using the mod Trolllands Biome. Now, what this mod does is, this is a Forge mod that's, well, if I turn down my sound, it make a biome with gravel, but not only gravel, but lava. This mod is a fun mod. It's fun for survival and PvP servers. He has said on his forum. And there is some great thing with this biome is that if you break a block, well, you're pretty much doomed if you are on that land. It's quite cool, quite deadly. So try to run from that. Well, actually, run! Oh, dynamite. Yeah, that did not work. So it's not possible to run from it, but it's right here. The biome doesn't look like it is rare, but it looks like the normal biomes is still here, so that's good. It's not a small biome, and it's a quite amazing mod. So if you want to have a little bit hardcore Minecraft, this is the biome for you, especially if you want PvP, because, well, it's obviously that this is perfect for PvP. I mean, you can break blocks under them, and you need the speed potion for survival. Yeah, I hope you have liked the commentary in this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.